Hi.
Hi.
I think I've
Hi!
seen you before.
No, you haven't.
Alright. Where are you from?
Sino to?
What's your
Ay,
name?
Brazil,
EJ?
Brazilian.
EJ. Do you mind if I play something for you?
Depends what it is.
Okay, what song do you prefer?
What do you know how to play?
You know Post Malone? Alright. I'm gonna make a remix.
So mga langga, before we continue, today we will be doing another reaction video, guys. To Jong Madali Day. Sobrang na-miss ko talaga yung OmiTV or Omegle na content ni Jong mga langga kasi recently, guys, he's more on covered song or yung bang mga music video niya. So I am really sorry mga langga kung hindi ko mai-upload talaga yung aking reaction video sa kanyang mga kanta kasi copyright po talaga siya mga langga, no? So pinanood ko lang talaga siya, and then ito, nag-antay lang ako ng bagong OmiTV or Omegle niya na content. So, mga langga, alam niyo na yung drill. Kapag nagustuhan nyo, kung interesado kayo, kung gusto nyo talagang makilala to si Jong, ayan, nasa description box ko yung kanyang social media account, yung kanyang YouTube channel, guys.
On it. It's
Ayan na,
Hollywood's
ayun.
Bleeding.
Anong kakantay niya dito? Parang wala lang sa Stranger, guys.
Do whatever you want.
Tignan natin yung reaction niya.
And I said one more time, girl.
Yan tayo eh.
And I said one more time, girl. Hollywood's bleeding, been 5 feet in darkness turned to dust. Everyone's gone by, no one's leaving, nobody left but us. I just keep on hoping that you call me. You say you wanna see me, but you can't right now. Never took the time to get to know me. Was scared of losing something that we never found. Running out of reason, but we can't let go.
Ayan, kanina kasi sobrang busy nito eh. Sobrang busy niya kaka-cellphone, tapos nang kumanta na si Jong, diba? Bigla kang, nga.
Hollywood is bleeding, but we call it home. And I said one more time, girl. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can stand it. My heart can't take this damage. And the way I feel, can't stand it.
Ganda ng boses eh. Oh, di ba? Pati siya napalakpak. Kanina sobrang busy.
What the actual...
Yeah, that's
Ingay ng mga aso eh.
I would pay you for that. I'm not even kidding.
really. Oh, thank you.
I would pay you for that.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
I don't understand how the you just did that.
I don't know.
It's good. Like, really good.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I have no
mean,
words to say.
If you could tell by my reaction that whole time, normally I'd be on my phone just not caring, but I actually sat there and listened.
Thank you.
Okay.
I just want to say thank you for the time. I do really appreciate that, and you're so amazing. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. You have a good rest of your day.
Have a great day. Hi.
Hi, hey, yo. Oh! Oh!
Kaloy!
Oh! It's Kaloy, mga langga! isa sa gumagawa din ng OmiTV Omegle content na grabe. Yung boses niya guys, sobrang galing din. Talagang yung bang from boses niyang babae, then switch to lalaki din. So, ikakaiba din yung mga tipo niyang kanta eh.
Is that you, my guy?
Yes, it's Kaloy.
Ngayon pa kasi ako bumalik sa OmiTV, brother.
Kumusta ka, pre?
Oh, good. I know you, bro. Yo, Kaloy is here! Ang galing nito! Ilang araw ka gumagawa nito? Ang galing.
Bale, 3
Grabe to si Kaloy gumawa ng OmiTV mga langga. Halos araw-araw ata ito nag-a-upload eh.
or 4, tapos tinahati-hati ko na lang.
Medyo
Ngayon,
lang
nagkataon,
siya, no?
naglaro kasi ako ng basketball, tapos may event ako bukas. So, kailangan ko ng content bukas. So, kailangan ko mag-content ngayon. So, first time kong ginawa na gabi. Talagang usually tanghali ako nag-content.
Alam mo, ang galing mo. Hindi ko kaya yung sa'yo, yung araw, yung parang upload bukas, then after 4 days. Ang galing mo. Promise.
Ay, congrats nga pala sa new album, nakita ko.
Thank you. Nag-ano lang ako. Nag-scroll lang ako. Naglalag ka nga konti, sayang. Kantaan mo ko.
Sige ba, ano ba gusto mo kanta?
Kahit ako naman siguro mga langga, kung nakita ko si Kaloy talaga, syempre magpapakanta talaga ako mga langga. Kasi sobrang galing nitong singer na to eh. At hindi mo talaga dapat palagpasin yung chance mga langga na kapag nakausap mo siya. Kasi itong tao na to, sobrang sipag nito guys. Iwan ko kung namamaos ba to o hindi.
Kahit ano.
Diba?
Yung komportable ka.
Sige.
Fun mo ako, brother.
Ano naman ako? Okay. Try natin. Ano ba magandang song?
Naglalag lang siya, no? Ang swerte ni Jong.
Sabi ka ng switch, ah.
Sige, magsiswitch ako.
Okay. We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Switch.
Why did you go away? You leave me all alone. The words can't say.
Galing talaga niya.
My love, please stay.
Switch.
You and I, we have moments left to share.
Switch na, switch.
You and I, we can make it anyway.
Nakakalunga talaga ng boses kasi ano eh.
You and I, we...
Oh my God, what the fuck? I think the internet connection, guys. Oh my God.
Patay yung internet.
Kakabuisit talaga eh. Sayang, guys. Pero at least, diba? Kahit konti nakantahan si Jong. So, mga langga, sobrang galing ng OmiTV content creator nito si Kaloy. Although, paminsan-minsan ko lang talaga siya pinibigyan ng reaction video, guys. Kasi sa dami ng mga binibigay ko ng reaction din, mga langga, no? Pero, yung video niya talaga sobrang sulit panoorin. Kahit everyday pa, guys. Nako, hindi yan napapagod kumantain. Yung kanta niya, mga langga, kakaiba. Yung bang matataas, yung bang pambabae, yung pandowit ba?
Bro!
Babae at lalaki, ganun. Mag-switch-switch lang. The fuck? Sayang!
Yung internet.
Kawawa naman, no?
Nawala.
Wala, problema na.
Guys, nawala yung internet. Nawala si Kaloy! Sayang yun. Damn.
Can you play us a song?
Of course, ladies. I got you.
Of course, ladies. I got you.
I used to rule the world. Tears rise when I give the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone.
Ganga-ganga talaga yun, no?
The streets I used to own. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone there was never another his word. That was when I ruled the world.
What the actually good.
That was amazing.
Thank you. And you
That was
guys, are,
actually amazing.
you guys are freezing. I don't know if maybe it's my internet.
Feel ko interconnection ni Jong yan.
Can you play us a song?
Yeah, of course.
What song are you gonna play us?
Medyo pangit talaga yung connection
Are you
mga
guys
lang,
familiar with
pero okay lang.
the song Mamma Mia?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God! Mamma Mia! Oh my God, mga langga, as in, ito talaga yung inaantay ko na kakantahin ni Jong. It's either a cover song niya or kakantahin niya sa Omi TV. Pero ito yung message ko lang kay Jong Madaliday, no? Even gumagawa ka ng mga music video, please wag mong iwan yung Omi TV or Omegle kasi iba pa rin yung dalawa yung tuna noon, dalawa yung content mo kasi may mga tao talaga na gusto kang mag Umi TV lang, mag Omegle lang at meron ding iba na sinusuportahan ka sa iyong pagkanta. So ako wala akong problema sumusuporta ako sa mga music video niya and sa kanyang Omi TV kasi magaling naman talaga to si Jong.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh my God,
to play
excited
that song.
ako.
No, that's okay. Okay, go for it.
Mamma Mia!
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when.
Oh my God! Sobrang lamig ng boses. Ano ko? Parang nag-comment ata ako mga langga na nag-request ata ako dito ng Mamma Mia yung covered song niya or kakatayin niya, whatever. Basta.
So I made up my mind, it must come to an end.
Ganda ng boses eh.
Look at me now.
Oh!
Will I
Yan talaga yung gusto ko sa kanya. Even nagtitrend yung kanta na yan. Pero ginagawa niya talaga ng paraan para meron siya sariling version, guys.
ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again, Mama, just how much I've missed you?
Yeah! Thank you so much, Jong. Grabe, ang
You
ganda
are
ng
so
boses.
good.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Love you. I thought you were like there's like trolls that aren't actually good.
Ang boses niya.
Thank you guys. What are your names?
I'm Tilly. I'm Summer.
Tuli and Summer. Where are you guys from?
Australia.
Australia. Ooh, I see. My name
Australians.
is John. Nice to meet you guys.
Aray, sakit na pa.
Nice to meet you
Handshake.
too.
It's a virtual handshake. This is a virtual handshake. Yes. Oh, thank you guys so much for listening. I do really appreciate that.
Diba? Ang ano lang.
And,
Ang bait nito ni
Sorry to
Jong mga
bother
lang.
you guys. My bad.
No, it's okay. That was amazing, honestly. I didn't
Thank
expect
you.
it.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
You too.
Yeah, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you an artist or something?
Ay,
Kinda.
Pilipino.
Okay.
You make music?
Yeah, I do make music.
Sample.
Okay.
Parang mga bata pa to eh.
Yo,
Guitar.
I just wrote a Filipino song.
Ah, okay. Kakantahin niya yung
Yeah,
kanyang
it's,
kanta.
Taglish.
Anyway, mga langga, congratulations to Jong Madaliday kasi meron na talaga siyang mga official music video. Super proud ako sa kanya, guys. Kasi isa din yan sa pangarap niya talaga.
Yes.
Okay. Go.
Okay.
Go!
This song is
Go!
already on Spotify. So,
Yes! Kaya, nakaka-copyright ako kasi nasa Spotify siya, guys.
that's it.
Slow down, take a ride me downtown, kung saan walang hanggan ang kwentuhan.
Wow!
You've been right for me,
Taglish
right
siya, no?
for me,
Taglish.
no doubt. ikaw lang walang hanggan.
Buti naman nagustuhan nila, no?
Uy, ano? Reveal! Reveal yung kanta!
Ano yung title niya?
Ride.
The song title, it's Ride.
Ride out now
Search
all
mo, pre.
digital.
Ride yung madali. Ang cute no! Ano ang cute ng title? Ride yung madali tayo.
Yan yung mga gusto ng mga tugtugan ng mga kabataan ngayon.
Dito! Ang galing! Singer. Sabay yan, no? Singer.
Ah, nice!
Singer! Oh my God.
Oh, tinignan nila mga langga.
Oh, subscribe!
Thank
We
you.
have subscribed your
I appreciate that. Thank you guys
Ride
so much.
yung madali daw. It's familiar.
Thank
You
you
have a
guys
great
so much.
voice!
Thank you.
Stream Ride!
Let's go.
Stream Ride!
Anong pangalan nyo? Anong pangalan nyo?
Marian.
Buti ba itong mga bata to very supportive na?
Eliza.
Eliza, nice to meet you guys. My name is Jong, and
Oh my
yeah, that was
God.
fun. Thank you.
Nice to meet
Have a good night. Bye
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Woo! Stream
oh,
Ride, Sunday morning, pahinga na. Don't forget that, guys. Let's go.
Oh!
Who's there?
Oh, pause. I want to hear him.
Who's playing?
He's playing over here.
Ooh, what's up,
Content
bro?
creator din siya.
Hi. How are you guys?
Can you? Good. How are you?
Yeah, I can play, but I'm not that good as him.
Really? No. Play whatever.
Okay.
Sana katawa niyo ulit yung mommy.
I sit by myself,
Oh.
talking to the moon, trying to get to you, and hopes you on the other side, talking to me too. Am I a fool?
Pagkuwanta talaga si Jung, magalang gano'n yung all out talaga yung
It's
motion eh.
alone, talking to the moon.
Cutted siya mga langga kasi copyright.
Are you from Australia?
It's hissing.
He plays guitar. I sing.
Oh!
Sing me a song.
Well, what song?
Any song. Play whatever you want. Oh, you play guitar too.
Only a little. Like I don't play well. I can just like. Is this tuned?
Maganda itong mga langga kasi
I don't know.
babae
Okay.
marunong mag-guitar.
I'll just play without guitar. I mean, sing without guitar. Strumming my pain with his fingers,
Oh!
singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song.
Ay! Gagi, meron itong potential na sumikat, guys. Kasi walang kaano yan, ha? Walang ka-effect, walang tone, walang audio ba? Pero yung boses niya, shit na yan.
My whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Ay! Di ako
So
marunong.
good.
No, you're better, bro. Like,
No.
do you have an Instagram?
Of course. Si
Yeah,
Hop.
What's your Instagram?
yeah. I do have an Instagram.
So good. Wait, is this your Instagram?
Yeah, that's my Instagram. I don't post.
Kagi, hindi ko pa na-follow.
No,
si
oh
Hop
my
sa
God, that's
Instagram.
crazy.
Na-follow
So
ko
good.
Smart
What's your
the other
name?
Jesslyn.
Jesslyn, you really have a good voice. I'm telling
Yes.
you. I'm so thankful. Thank you so
No,
much.
I'm so thankful you sang for us. It was so good.
Yeah, you're so
Ang
good
ganda
too.
ng
I'm
boses
telling
niya.
you.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Oh,
you.
you're so sweet. Thank you.
And I gotta go. Thank you.
Eh,
Have a
yun lang
good one.
sayang.
You too. Bye.
Bye.